Let's go! Paw Patrol! Skye, all right, Skye. Let's find those cows for Farmer Al. You found one. There's a cow. Cow spotted. You got it. Right on, Pop! Whoa! Watch out, Chickaletta! You can do it, Pup! You're really good pups! Catch some treats. You can do it, Pup. Right on, Pup. Katie's calling. Look, Katie has something to say. Someone is hitting Katie's pet shampoo. Can you find it? Oh, it's the pet shampoo. Can you see it? Get close to finish your mission. Good find, Pup. Let's bring it to Katie. Hooray! Thanks to you, Katie will be able to bathe the pets again. Water the flowers with Marshall and watch them grow. Food waste needs to go in the compost bin. This looks like it goes in the garbage bin. A call from Mr. Porter. It's a super treat! Tap it to eat it! chase. Metal belongs in the recycling bin. Beautiful! Bring the red cap to the fire hydrant to fix it. Yikes! The water from that fire hydrant is flooding the street. Mayor Goodway has lost her purse. Can you find the pink purse? Over there! It looks like the mayor's purse. Good find, pup. Let's bring it back to the mayor. Mayor Goodway is relieved that you found her purse. It's a super treat! Tap it to eat it. Tap as fast as you can. Dunk the other pup in the water to win. 3, 2, 1, go! From Alex. Tap as fast as you can. Dunk the other pup in the water to win. 3, 2, 1, go! Finish! As fast as you can. Dunk the other pup in the water to win. 3, 2, 1, go! Finish! It's a super treat! Tap it to eat it! Paw Patrol! Thanks for hurrying, pups! A storm passed over Yumi's farm and startled the chickens. The chickens escaped, and now they're everywhere. We need to help Farmer Yumi round them up. Chase, I'll need you to round up the stray chickens with your megaphone. All right! Paw Patrol is on a roll. Chasin', cluck cluck, run amok. Tap on the screen to move Chase around the field. When Chase gets close, the chickens will move away from it. Get them to move back into their coop. This is the chicken coop. Find all the chickens and bring them back to the coop. Don't worry if they split up. You can go back and get them later. Hey, it's Chickaletta. Hi, Chickaletta. Look around. Some chickens could be hidden. Look around. Some chickens could be hidden. Look around. Some chickens could be hidden. Great work, pups! Farmer Yumi will be happy. You're really good pups. Have some pup treats.